Hello, and welcome to the English Cat. I'm your host, Alex. Today, we will learn English through stories. So, let's get started. Meet Tom. Tom is a happy man. Tom wakes up at 7 a.m. He is hungry. He walks to the kitchen. He makes breakfast. Tom eats 2 eggs and drinks black coffee. He puts on his clothes. He wears a blue shirt and black pants. He takes his bag and opens the door. Tom goes to work by bus. He works in a big office in the city. He likes his job. At 5 p.m., Tom comes home. He is tired but happy. Let's look at the important words from Tom's story. Number 1. To wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up early every day. Number 2. Hungry, meaning needing food. Example, I am hungry. I want a pizza. Number 3. Kitchen, meaning the room where you cook food. Example, the kitchen is clean. Number 4. To make, meaning to create or prepare something. Example, can you make tea? Number 5. Clothes, meaning things you wear, shirts, pants, dresses. Example, he has nice clothes. Number 6. To wear, meaning to have clothes on your body. Example, she wears a red dress. Number 7. To take, meaning to grab and carry something. Example, please take your umbrella. Number 8. Bus, meaning a large vehicle for many people. Example, the bus is late. Number 9. Office, meaning a place where people work at desks. Example, my office has a big window. Number 10. Tired, meaning needing to sleep or rest. Example, the baby is tired. Now it is your turn to speak. Listen to me and then repeat the sentence aloud. Copy my pronunciation. Tom wakes up at 7 a.m. Tom wakes up at 7 a.m. He is very hungry. He is very hungry. He makes breakfast in the kitchen. He makes breakfast in the kitchen. He wears a blue shirt. He wears a blue shirt. He takes the bus to work. He takes the bus to work. He works in an office. He works in an office. He comes home at 5 p.m. He comes home at 5 p.m. He is tired but happy. He is tired but happy. Okay, great. Now let's move to the next part. Let's test your memory. Answer the questions about the story. Question 1. What does Tom drink for breakfast? A. Milk. B. Tea. C. Coffee. Answer C. Coffee. Question 2. How does Tom go to work? A. By car. B. By bus. C. He walks. Answer B. By bus. Question 3. Where does Tom work? A. In a school. B. In a shop. C. In an office. Answer: C. In an office. Question 4. How does Tom feel at the end of the day? A. Sad. B. Tired but happy. C. Angry. Answer: B. Tired but happy. Now, let's follow Tom on his weekend. Tom does not work on Saturday. He needs food for his house. He goes to the supermarket. Listen carefully to the story. It is Saturday morning. Tom is free. He drives his car to the big supermarket. He parks the car. He walks inside. The supermarket is very bright. Tom takes a shopping cart. It has 4 wheels. He has a list in his hand. First, he goes to the fruit section. He buys 5 red apples and 1 yellow banana. Next, he goes to the bakery. It smells like fresh bread. He picks up a loaf of brown bread. Then he needs milk. He walks to the cold section. He grabs a bottle of milk and some cheese. Suddenly, he hears a voice. "Tom, is that you?" Tom turns around. It is his friend, Sarah. "Hello, Sarah," says Tom. "Hi, how are you?" asks Sarah. "I am good," says Tom. "I am shopping." They talk for 10 minutes. They are happy to see each other. Then Tom goes to the cashier. The cashier says, "That is $20, please." Tom pays with cash. He puts the food in bags and goes home. Buying food is something we do every week. Let's learn the important words for shopping. Word number 1. Supermarket. A very big shop. You can buy food, drinks, and things for the house. Example: I go to the supermarket every Saturday. Word number 2. Shopping cart. This is the metal basket on wheels. You push it. You put your food inside it while you walk. In the UK, they call it a trolley. Example: My shopping cart is full. Word number 3. List. A piece of paper. You write what you need to buy. This helps you remember. Example: Do not forget the shopping list. Word number 4. To pay. You give money to the store. You get the food. Example: I pay for the coffee. Word number 5. Cashier. The person who takes your money at the end of the shop. Example: The cashier is very slow today. Word number 6. Cash. Cash means paper money or coins. It is not a credit card. Example: I have $10 in cash. Now let's practice speaking. Imagine you are pushing the cart. Repeat after me. He takes a shopping cart. He has a list in his hand. He buys 5 red apples. He meets his friend Sarah. He pays $20. Very clear pronunciation. Good job. Now let's test your listening. Here is the supermarket quiz. Question 1. What day does Tom go shopping? A. Monday, B. Friday, C. Saturday. The answer is C. It is Saturday. Question 2. What fruit does Tom buy? A. Apples and a banana, B. Oranges and grapes, C. Just apples. The answer is A. He buys apples and a banana. Question 3. Who does Tom meet? A. His mother, B. His friend Sarah, C. His boss. The answer is B. He meets his friend Sarah. Question 4. How does Tom pay? A. With a credit card, B. With cash, C. He does not pay. The answer is B. He pays with cash. We looked at Tom's workday and his shopping day. Now let's look at Sunday. Sunday is a day for rest. Tom goes to the park. It is Sunday afternoon. The weather is beautiful. The sun is hot, but the wind is cool. Tom puts on his sneakers. He walks to the city park. The park is green and quiet. Tom sees many families. Children play games on the grass. He sees a big tree. He walks to the tree. There is a wooden bench under the tree. Tom sits on the bench. He opens his book. He reads for 1 hour. Suddenly, a small dog runs to Tom. Woof, woof. The dog is white and fluffy. It has a blue ball. Tom throws the ball. The dog runs and brings it back. The dog's owner comes over. "I am sorry," the woman says. "My dog likes you." "It is okay," Tom laughs. "He is funny." Tom looks at the sky. It is turning orange. The sun is going down. It is time to go home. I love the park on Sunday. It is very peaceful. Let's learn the nature vocabulary from this story. Word number 1. Bench. A long seat made of wood or metal. You find benches in parks or at bus stops. 2 or 3 people can sit on it. Example, let's sit on the bench and talk. Number 2. Grass. The green plant on the ground. Cows eat grass. You play football on the grass. Example, do not walk on the grass. Number 3. Sneakers. Shoes for sports or walking. They are comfortable. In the UK, they call them trainers. Example, I wear sneakers when I run. Number 4. To throw. You use your hand to send something through the air. You throw a ball. Example, please throw the pen to me. Number 5. Owner. The person who has something. The dog belongs to the woman. She is the owner. Example, who is the owner of this car? Okay, it is time for shadowing. Imagine you are in the park. Close your eyes if you want. Repeat after me. The weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful. He sits on a wooden bench. He sits on a wooden bench. Children play on the grass. Children play on the grass. He throws the ball. He throws the ball. The sun is going down.
The sun is going down. Perfect. Now let's do a quick true or false quiz. Statement 1. Tom goes to the cinema on Sunday. False. He goes to the park. Statement 2. Tom reads a book for 1 hour. True. He reads under the tree. Statement 3. Tom meets a cat. False. He meets a dog. Now we are at the end of the story. The weekend is finishing. Let's see how Tom prepares for the new week. Tom walks home from the park. He arrives at his apartment at 7 p.m. He cooks a simple dinner, soup and toast. He washes the dishes. He checks his clothes for tomorrow. He needs a clean shirt for work. He looks at his calendar. Okay, Tom thinks, tomorrow is Monday. I am ready. He brushes his teeth. He goes to his bedroom. The room is dark and quiet. Tom is sleepy. He closes his eyes and falls asleep quickly. It was a good week. And that is the end of our story about Tom. We watched him wake up, go to work, shop at the supermarket, and relax in the park. Final vocabulary word. To prepare. To make ready. Tom gets his shirt ready. He prepares for Monday. Example: I prepare my bag for school. Congratulations! You just finished a very long English lesson. You listened to over 20 minutes of English. This is amazing progress. Today, you learned words about daily routines, transport, food, nature. My advice for you: do not worry if you did not understand every word. That is normal. Listen to this podcast again tomorrow. The second time, you will understand more. The third time, you will understand everything. If you liked this story, please subscribe to English Cat. Leave a comment and say, I am ready for Monday. I am Leo. Thank you for studying with me. You are doing a great job. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.